How's it going, everybody? JD Sports Cards 00 here. First attempt at a video. I bought a mystery pack off eBay probably about a month or two ago. Memorabilia Explosion, and was lucky enough to hit a Series 7 full-size helmet, which is still coming in the mail for him today. Got that right here. It's already been claimed, so I don't have to worry about the email address and stuff getting out there. But yeah, that was pretty cool. I was pretty excited about that. Also, I do some hits online, some breaks. Kyler Murray here. Sorry about the lighting. I'm still getting used to this. Out of Obsidian. Numbered out of 50. That's kind of my big hit so far. I got some pictures and stuff and helmets that get uploaded eventually here. So I got another package from Memorabilia Explosion. I believe this is Series 9. I already cut the tape just to make it a little bit quicker. Get these out here. Empty. So here we go. Series 9. I missed Series 8, so we're just going to open these one at a time. And if I remember, they're a little tough to open. Alright, and he does have several hits out of this. Some more helmets and other memorabilia. I'll put the link below. Alright. So we got a Delaney Walker, Rookies and Stars. Not numbered. Hayden Hurst rookie card. Draft picks out of Elite. South Carolina Uni. Longevity out of Rookies and Stars, Le'Veon Bell. And I believe these were $7 or $8 a pack. So 3 packs. Julio Jones, Topps Finest. Not numbered. Derek Nady, rookie card. Another Le'Veon Bell out of Rookies and Stars, standing ovation. Alshon Jeffrey out of Topps Chrome, rookie card. That's pretty sweet. I'm a Packer fan, but I'll take that. We have Antoine Wesley, sticker auto out of Panini Contenders 19. Phillip Rivers, limited threads. Nice little patch there out of 99, 74 out of 99. And ooh, look at this. Out of, got a Randy Moss. Can't quite read what it's out of. Out of a 2000 Fleer Skybox. Randy Moss. Guy killed us. Killed the Packers a couple times. Alright. No memorabilia hits out of that one. Let's see what pack number 2 does for us here. Alright, the newest Arizona Cardinal. DeAndre Hopkins. The 2016 Contenders. Get these guys out here. Mike Hughes rookie card. Donruss. 2018. Ooh, a nice looking Emmitt Smith here. At a Flair Showcase. '97 Showcase. It's a sweet looking card. Got a loose one here, Danny Amendola. '2016 Donruss. Playoff flashback here, Terry Bradshaw. 2017 playoff. Tony Gonzalez out of Showcase, '97. This guy saved my fantasy leagues a couple times. Not numbered. Here we got an auto. I believe this is an on-card auto. Jaquez Rogers, press pass. Not numbered, out of 2011. Very cool. All right, look at that patch. Jamon Moore, Supreme Swatches. Some of the other guys in the videos I watched, chunky. Very cool. That's gonna go in the PC. Old school again, Jim Kelly. From 2012 Topps. Jim Kelly. And Jamal Williams, rookie card. Out of Score. Very cool. And third and final pack. Bought 3 packs last time and I hit that full-size helmet auto in the first box. First pack I opened, and I've been hooked ever since. I missed the Series 9 with all the craziness going on in our world here. Hope everyone's being safe. Washing your hands, doing that. Still working myself, so that's a plus. All right, Deshaun Hand, rookie card, 2018 Donruss. Michael Irvin, Upper Deck, 91, not numbered. Very cool. Another Emmitt Smith right here. Out of 97 Leaf. Oops. Cool looking cards here. Marcus Mariota. No longer with the Titans. That 2017 Prism. Oh, here we go. Now, I'm not sure on all the names of cards and stuff, guys. It's kind of got a gold border. I don't know if that's anything special offhand. Warren Moon, Oilers uniform. Boy, that's got to be a 1990. Yeah. Sweet looking card. Andre Johnson. Topps Prime. 2011. Here we go. Newest Tampa Bay Buccaneer, I'm pretty sure. It's official now. Tom Brady, alma mater. It's a Michigan uniform out of Elite. 2017. So not lucky enough to hit a valuable rookie card, but still a cool looking card. Here we got Ryan Connolly, rookie tickets, sticker auto, 2019. Jalen Strong. Player worn memorabilia rookie card. Houston Texans, 2-color patch. Tops. 2015 tops, not numbered. Nice looking patch though. And finally, my boy, 2016 contenders. J.J. Watt, MVP J.J. Watt, not numbered. Do some online breaks and hit a sick looking picture. Autograph 16 by 20 was when he broke his nose. So I can't wait for that to get in the mail and get that framed. All right, let's take a look real quick here. Our autos, Jacquizz Rodgers on card. This one was Antoine Wesley and Ryan Conley, rookie card. And patches, Jalen Strong, 2-color patch. Sick, Jamon Moore, Supreme swatches. And the Phillip Rivers out of 99. Jamon Moore was out of 50. Out of 50 there. Phillip Rivers out of 99. All right, guys. Again, that was Series 9 Memorabilia Explosion. I will link that in the comments in a minute. Series 7 again. This was one of the prize. This was the prize. First time I bought, and I hit that right away. So that was pretty cool. And hopefully next time I have a video up, I can have this graded out of Obsidian. Kyler Murray is a sticker auto, but right patch is one color with a little stitch in there, and then left patch we got 2 colors. So, hope you guys enjoyed the first video. And I will hopefully be posting more. I do have a Sportsman box coming on Monday, so hopefully we can get that up. You guys have a great day. Stay safe.